Hola amigos! Extreme snowfall today in Kiev and we want to test drone flying during such extreme snow. And, by the way, it is minus 10 degrees. Let's see what footage we've got on Spark during this extreme snowfall. Let's roll! We have to be responsible drone pilots. And guys, we have to warn you of flying your drone in such dangerous and extreme weather conditions. Be very careful. Watch obstacles around you, watch people around you. Don't hurt anyone, don't damage your drone, and be careful. So guys, as you can see, Spark handled its job perfectly and we are really impressed. In Spark settings, we turned off the obstacle avoidance. Because of snow, it won't fly. So, with obstacle avoidance turned off, you can see the footage is good, the Spark is live, and guys, all the footage was filmed on GoPro Hero 5. You know why? Because I forgot my SD card in Canon 80D. So, stupid me, I know. Don't forget your SD cards home. Okay?